Hi, I'm Bethan. Welcome to Videojug, and this is skating in 5 easy steps.
No one wants to fall, but falling is an inevitable part of learning to skate. It's a good idea to learn and practice how to fall safely and to get up quickly.
So here's how to do it in 5 easy steps.
Step 1. If you feel you're starting to fall, relax and let yourself fall forwards. Step 2. Bend at the waist to lower your centre of gravity. Put your hands out in front of you to break your fall. Bend your knees and try to land on your side or bottom. Step 3. Let your body slide across the ice to absorb the impact. Step 4. Roll onto your hands and knees with your hands flat on the ice. Step 5. Bring one foot in front of you with the skate blade flat on the ice. Place your hands on your knees, slowly pushing up to a standing position.
So here's a few tips to help you and a few things to avoid.
Wear gloves to protect your hands. Don't delay bringing your hands in towards you whilst you're on the ice, otherwise other skaters could skate over them. Don't fall backwards. Don't tense up.
And here are those key steps one more time.
Relax. Bend at your waist with your hands out. Slide across the ice. Roll onto your hands and knees. Bring one foot in front of you and push up to standing.
So now it's up to you to try it out, practice it, and have fun adding it to your ice skating moves and techniques. And if you enjoyed this, follow us on Videojug's YouTube channel for more skating in 5 easy steps.